If you think a smart home is just about voice commands, think again. The right gadgets can transform how you live every single day. Let's dive in. Step into the future of living with the latest innovations transforming smart homes in 2025. At High-Tech Gadgets News, we're dedicated to keeping you informed about the cutting-edge gadgets and technologies shaping the way adults experience comfort, security, and efficiency at home. The smart home landscape is evolving at a rapid pace, driven by remarkable advancements in artificial intelligence, seamless device interoperability, and a strong focus on sustainability and energy efficiency. Let's start with one of the most exciting frontiers, artificial intelligence. In 2025, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a cornerstone of the modern smart home. Devices like smart speakers, thermostats, and lighting systems have become intelligent companions, learning your habits and preferences over time. Imagine waking up to a home where AI-powered systems have already adjusted the lighting to help ease you out of sleep, set the perfect temperature, and played your favorite playlist, all based on your recent routines and even your current mood. These systems use real-time behavior analysis, integrating data from motion sensors, voice commands, and even biometric feedback to create a personalized environment that adapts continuously throughout the day. Robot vacuums and air purifiers, now staples in many smart homes, have become smarter and more precise. Thanks to advanced sensor technology and AI-driven algorithms, these devices map your home, identify high-traffic areas, and schedule cleaning cycles when you're least likely to be disturbed. They even adjust their operation based on air quality levels or detected allergens, ensuring clean floors and fresh air without requiring manual input. This hands-off approach is especially valuable for busy adults who appreciate technology that anticipates their needs rather than requiring constant supervision. One of the most transformative developments in 2025 is the rise of true interoperability. Fragmented ecosystems and complicated setups are quickly becoming things of the past. The Matter protocol, a universal standard backed by tech giants, is now widely adopted and supported in Apple Home since iOS 16.1. Matter enables devices from different manufacturers to communicate effortlessly, creating a cohesive network of smart gadgets that work together regardless of brand. For adults who have invested in multiple smart products over the years, this means you can finally integrate your favorite lighting system with your preferred security camera or smart lock without compatibility headaches. Multi-protocol chips are also on the horizon, further expanding the range of devices that can interact seamlessly in your home. Connectivity is another area seeing major innovation. Large homes and battery-powered devices have often struggled with weak Wi-Fi signals or short battery life. Enter Wi-Fi Halo, a protocol based on IEEE 802.19a, designed specifically to address these challenges. Wi-Fi Halo offers extended range and lower power consumption, making it ideal for smart sensors, cameras, and other gadgets that need to stay connected throughout spacious homes but can't afford frequent battery replacements. This development ensures that every corner of your home, from the garage to the garden, can benefit from smart automation and security. Energy efficiency remains at the forefront of smart home gadget design. As sustainability becomes a higher priority for adults, manufacturers are responding with intelligent appliances that optimize power usage and integrate with renewable energy sources. Smart washing machines, refrigerators, and HVAC systems now analyze usage patterns, adjust operation to minimize waste, and sync with solar panels or home battery systems. These features not only help reduce monthly energy bills, but also contribute to a greener lifestyle. A win-win for tech-savvy homeowners who care about their environmental impact. Keeping your smart home secure is essential, and the latest devices combine robust physical protection with advanced digital safeguards. Smart locks now offer biometric authentication, remote access control, and activity logging, so you always know who's coming and going. Security cameras equipped with AI can differentiate between family members, pets, and potential intruders, reducing false alarms and providing real-time notifications directly to your smartphone or smart glasses. Speaking of smart glasses, augmented reality is poised to revolutionize home control in 2025. The integration of AR and gesture-based controls means you can manage appliances, lighting, and entertainment systems with a simple wave of your hand or a glance at a virtual menu projected in your field of view. Imagine adjusting the thermostat or dimming the lights while cooking without touching a single switch. this hands-free, intuitive approach is particularly appealing for adults who value convenience and accessibility. A standout innovation making headlines this year is Samsung's AI robot Bally. Set for release in 2025, Bally is designed to be the ultimate personal assistant and home automation hub. This autonomous robot can control smart home devices, send texts, make video calls, and even greet you when you walk in the door. Bally's advanced AI allows it to anticipate your needs, whether it's adjusting the lighting before you arrive, reminding you of appointments, or monitoring air quality for optimal comfort. The ability to interact naturally with Bally through speech, gestures, or even facial recognition sets a new standard for home automation. Let's not overlook the importance of entertainment. High-definition smart TVs now offer voice-activated controls and seamless integration with streaming services, gaming consoles, and social media. Sound systems equipped with spatial audio adapt playback based on room acoustics and user location, ensuring immersive experiences whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet evening. For adults who love hosting, smart kitchen gadgets have become indispensable. From refrigerators that notify you when groceries are running low, to ovens that suggest recipes based on available ingredients and monitor cooking remotely, the kitchen has truly become a hub of intelligent living. Coffee makers, wine coolers, and even dishwashers can be programmed or controlled remotely, making everyday routines more efficient and enjoyable. Health and wellness are also central to smart home technology in 2025. Wearable devices connect with home systems to monitor sleep, activity, and even stress levels, triggering adjustments in lighting, sound, or air quality to support optimal well-being. Smart mirrors offer personalized health insights, display news updates, and even guide you through fitness routines. As we look toward the future, the convergence of AI, interoperability, and energy management is creating homes that are not just smart, but truly intelligent. For adults seeking the best in high-tech gadgets, the options are more sophisticated and user-friendly than ever before. From effortless automation and enhanced security to sustainable living and immersive entertainment, the smart home of 2025 is designed to anticipate, adapt, and elevate every aspect of modern life. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for ongoing updates, in-depth reviews, and expert insights into the latest smart home innovations. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or exploring new gadgets for the first time, we're here to guide you through the dynamic world of high-tech living, where the home of the future is yours to enjoy today. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.